everyone, I'm here to review the product by Lancome. It's the Advanced Genifique Youth Activating Serum there. I'm a lover of all things skincare, so I think it's very important to take care of ourselves. We spend so much time nourishing our bodies by eating healthy, exercise, but not a lot goes into taking care of our skin. So I think it's so important to take care of our skin as well. And this is where serums come in. So serums are designed to deliver high concentration of active ingredients to the skin so that when you apply it before moisturizers, it helps lock in that moisture. I'm glad that there's a wide assortment of products for the consumer depending on their skin concerns. I mean, let's face it, in our 20s, what we used for products for that time period is not going to apply for when we're, say, in our 40s and 50s. So it's great that we have amazing products like this one to help target specific skin concerns. So I'm checking on to the Lancome website, and it says that this advanced anti-aging face serum is formulated with 7 prebiotic and probiotic extracts and hyaluronic acid. This face serum targets the 10 key signs of aging, visibly improves skin radiance in just 7 days. And its iconic formula is patented until 2029. So not only does it help strengthen our skin, but this face serum also builds up on the skin's recovery and defense against external aggressors like stress, pollution, and harsh climates. And there's many benefits to this anti-aging skincare serum for this particular routine that you have for your skin. It offers 24-hour hydration in just one application. It strengthens your skin barrier, so your skin recovers more than 77% faster in just 1 hour. 88% of women agree that skin looks smoother, so it looks more radiant in just 7 days. In this particular bottle, it helps, in just one bottle, it helps improve 10 signs of aging, such as fine lines, wrinkles, skin firmness, skin radiance, skin texture, and even skin tone. So it's also good for all skin types like dry, combination, oily, and sensitive skin. It's great for all ages and ethnicities, so that's great. And it targets different types of like skin texture, like uneven skin texture, uneven skin tone, helps with dry skin, dehydration, dull skin, wrinkles, and fine lines. And also it's dermatologist tested as well as allergist tested. It's paraben free, sulfate free, non-comedogenic serum, so it's non-clogging your pores. And in terms of worldwide reviews, they gave it 5 stars, so it's a very powerful anti-aging serum. So in terms of use, you basically apply this right after cleansing in the morning and then evening. So it has an exclusive self-loading dropper that gives you the perfect amount of serum each and every time you apply it to your skin. So, and then you just spread your serum across your hands, around your forehead to your cheeks, your chin, and then down your neck, down your décolletage. And then to complete this skincare routine, to boost that extra hydration, just make sure you complete your skincare routine with your favorite moisturizer at the end. And then if you are applying this during the daytime, I suggest that you wear an SPF because your skin can get very sensitive to because using this product, so just wear that. I didn't encounter that when I'm using this product, and I've been using it for several weeks now, so I didn't encounter the sensitivities. It's probably because I do wear SPF sunscreen as part of my skincare routine. So okay, so let me just show you what this bottle looks like. So it's a 30 mils in this bottle, and it's a glass dropper bottle. It clicks to open, and then when you take it out, it gives you the right amount of serum on your hands. As you can see, it's really runny. It absorbs very nicely. You can see that. And it's very smooth. And it's really nice. It feels really nice against the skin. Okay, and it clicks, as you can tell, it clicked when you close the bottle. It just signals that it will give you the right amount the next time. So I live in Toronto, Canada. We have extremely harsh and dry winters here, and I find that it's great that this product absorbs very nicely on the skin, helps keep my skin hydrated. What I love about this product is that it plumps up my skin. And I did notice after a few weeks of use that my skin looks visibly brighter and more radiant, and that's really important. And the fact that because I'm a busy working mom, this product, the fact that it's self-loading dropper, it keeps the work out of second guessing how much product to use, and the fact that it just gives you the right amount is perfect every single time. So I just think this is totally genius, Lancome. And what else? I just think that after this period of time that I've used it, I did notice that my skin initially was a little bit saggy, but now it's a bit firmer, and I do notice that within only a few weeks of use. So it does look good. In terms of my fine lines, I haven't noticed too much of a difference. I have a little bit on my forehead, my under eyes, and just around my mouth here. But I haven't noticed too much of a difference, but I do notice the firmness and the brightening of my skin. I don't know if you can see that. So it looks really good. And also it does say that within 7 to 8 weeks of use, you definitely notice your skin transform into something else, and nicer looking skin. So we will see about that. I mean, I will definitely continue using this product and see what the results are, because I can't wait to see how it turns out my skin, because I do notice a difference and it feels really nice. So, and I like the fact that my skin is hydrated, and it's plump and it looks nice. So so thanks very much for listening to my review, and thanks, Lancome.